Today we're going to talk a little bit about the technician coverage tool here at Cloudwork Pro. This tool is used to understand coverage of our technicians in certain areas for certain types of work. So all you're going to do is select the technicians on the left-hand side. You're simply going to select a specific type of work. In this case, we'll do networking. And then you're either going to enter a city and state or a specific address. In this case, we'll just check Atlanta. Okay. So what we're looking at here are all the technicians in the platform in and around Atlanta, Georgia, that have networking listed as a type of work. In the list up above, we list those technicians in order of distance from the center of the city. If you were to center a specific address, we would list the distance from that specific address. And then on the map below, we show where those technicians are in relation to that particular site. You can always take a look at a preview of a technician's profile simply by selecting their icon here. You can get a little preview of this particular technician. Another way of looking at coverage is using the same tool, selecting this map icon here in the upper right-hand corner. We'll choose, again, networking. And this is going to show you all the technicians within our system that have networking listed as a type of work. You can always drill into a specific, again, we'll drill into Atlanta. And we're going to show those technicians in and around Atlanta that have that specific type of work. So again, this is a good way to check coverage within the Cloudwork Pro platform. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.